This is where they die!
In 480 BCE, the Persian Empire, led by King Xerxes, invaded Greece with a force of over 100,000 soldiers. The Greek city-states were divided. Many were afraid, but one man stood tall, King Leonidas of Sparta. With just 300 Spartan warriors and a few thousand allies, he marched to the narrow mountain pass of Thermopylae. Why there? Because the cliffs and sea narrowed the battlefield, making the massive Persian numbers useless. For 3 days, the Spartans held the line. They fought with unmatched discipline, using shields, spears, and brutal close-quarter tactics.
This is where we hold them! This is where we fight! This is where they die!
The Persians attacked in waves, and in each time, they were pushed back. But then came betrayal. A Greek traitor named Ephialtes showed Xerxes a hidden mountain path. Leonidas and his men were surrounded. He knew the end was near, but the 300 didn't run. They stayed and fought to the last breath. Leonidas was killed. Most of his men fell, but their stand gave Greece time to unite, to rally, and to fight back. The sacrifice at Thermopylae became a symbol of courage, freedom, and standing against impossible odds. It inspired legends, including the movie 300, which dramatized the event. But the real story, even more heroic. Follow lessons from history for more true legends that shape the world.